All right, everyone, let's go over the markets here. We're at the near the end of the month in May. We're at the 30th of May, 2023. So, without further ado, let's get into it, knowing that anything that you see here for trading software today, you can get in the description below or in my bio. You can also sign up to have this watch list and my analysis of the market emailed to you every single day, so you can just watch it right in your inbox. Without further ado, what do we got here? So we start with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin rallied a little bit over the weekend since the last email, kind of just chopping sideways. If we can get another couple days of that and push higher, I may actually get involved in the long side of this. I did get stopped out of my short when it broke, I think above this high right here. So a very small profit nonetheless, but a very small profit. Maybe reversing, maybe we're going to push higher, or maybe we're just re-entering this range for another kind of a slop fest. So I need to see some more action before I'm getting too involved in that one. On the crypto front, we have Ocean. Again, don't know what this coin does, but we have a kind of anchored VWAP pinch. It's been hanging out between this upper VWAP and this lower VWAP for a long time. So if we can chill out for a couple days here and then start to push higher, then I'll be buying some Ocean for that. But I need to see it chill out for just a little bit longer. Last but not least, we have XAU or gold. We have this prior high right here. We've kind of broke out of it. Now we're pulling back down right into this area right here. So I bought a little bit today as it started to break up. So I'm hoping I got a good price here. If not, the stop's at the low here. I always love when a prior high gets broken and then retested and then it moves from there. So into the equity market, we're going to start with XLK, which is our technology ETF. This would include, right, all the AI stuff that's going on. Could be a short-term blow off top here. I wouldn't be shocked to see that and some continuation lower tomorrow. We had a big strong push up, but when you have this kind of gap up and then sell off that day, kind of shows me that, maybe some people are using this move to take a bit of profit, maybe load up on some shorts, who knows. But we could pull all the way back. I talked about in gold there how I like it when we retest a breakout point. That gets us all the way back down here before we start to get worried at all. So we're due for it. Doesn't mean it's going to happen. It's just this particular candlestick setup I'm just a little bit cautious about. SPY. S&P 500, this 420 is still the level. It's been the level for a while, since back here. You can go back further on the chart. You can see it. You can see it there when we reversed from here. We came back to it, and now we're just fighting this area. So we sold off a little bit below it, and now we're pushing up to it. We're still battling around that area, and that's kind of what you want to see. You want to see a nice breakout, some sort of consolidation, continuation. So as long as we're above 410 right now is where I'm kind of bullish, because that's where we found support here, and then again back here. KRE, or the financials, we have KRE. This level right here, about 40 bucks a share, give or take. We have that low and then we have that high. I'm actually looking for this. If we can break this, reclaim it on a closing basis, I'm interested in KRE. And then the last from the equity list is just BERK-B. Very important level here for BERK-B. If you just zoom out just a little bit, you can see this 320 area. If you check here on the weekly chart down here, these are picture-in-picture charts. Again, link in the description below. And you can also get this email sent right to you. But we have these prior highs here on BERK-B that are acting as support. Put a little hammer candle today, so if this pushes off it, that's a decent little price for BERK-B. So not really a lot new to the list, so you can see last night's or the weekend video for more. But RIOT blockchain is a new one. Basically, if Bitcoin is going to move higher, then RIOT blockchain might be a good way to play it. It's been consolidating really, really nicely there after earnings. So a breakout here on RIOT blockchain with a 13% short float could be an interesting way to play that. Trying to look for PAG we talked about on the weekend. I wanted to bring that one up. We basically just have a little bit of a breakout here. So this is a ascending triangle or a symmetrical triangle, and we're getting a little bit of a breakout on that name. Just going through the list here, seeing if there's anything else. Oh, the other one I wanted to talk about is Wayfarer. So we added this one to the list today. Massive base right here. it's been basing here for months and months and months and months. Broke out today with a 32% short float. That's a pretty wild short float, so we have to pay attention to that. And then I'm also watching tomorrow really closely Take Two, and Take Two is kind of fighting this $400 or $140 type level. So gapped up. The anchored view app is kind of just sitting right like this. So we're looking for a break and close over 420 on this one for it to continue. So that is it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Again, you can sign up to the email list in the description below or in my bio.